We're here today to discuss a problem that we have seen and solved. A large automotive supplier of hydraulic tubing was experiencing a tremendous amount of backlog due to their masking materials. Masking materials similar to these were causing a backlog in their process. These materials, because they're in the hydraulic industry, had to be 100% clean. So their cleaning process was dictating the amount of parts that could be pushed through production. This particular customer had a 24-hour operation, but they were cleaning masking plugs for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in order to operate their paint line 5 days a week, 2 shifts, which is not very productive. They came to us and explained that they had tried multiple options to clean these parts. They had tried physical removal, they had tried washing machines, they had tried different paint strippers, all to no avail. None of these were working properly. Brought the opportunity to us. We used AquaStrip ACB to clean the residual powder coat from the outside of the masking material to provide a clean surface like this. Because they were able to change their production process and clean these parts efficiently within 1 shift, they're able to now paint parts 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, greatly improving their production process and improving efficiencies.